A channel that didn't exist 2 months ago just pulled 2 million views on a single video, no paid tools, just free AI, a sharp workflow, and a niche that the majority of YouTube hasn't even discovered yet. In the next 10 minutes, I'm walking you through every single step, tools, prompts, process, completely free. This style is called POV underworld content, simple cartoon characters, first-person storytelling, worlds most people never get close to, cartel surgeons, black ops operatives, military snipers, corrupt officials. The viewer becomes the character. That's the hook. That's why people watch to the end. Look at the numbers. Professor POV, 1 month old, already pulling hundreds of thousands to 2 million views per video. The POV bro, hundreds of thousands in 1 month. The life outline hits 7 million total views in 1 month from just a few uploads. This niche is brand new, the audience is hungry, and almost all of it is being built with free AI tools right now. So let's get straight into the creation process. Step 1. Script. Every prompt in this video is inside a free Google Doc. Link is in the description and pinned comment. Open it now and follow along. It will save you a lot of time. For writing, the default recommendation everywhere is ChatGPT. For this specific niche, go with Claude AI instead. I tested both. Claude holds your word count tighter, writes stronger hooks, and handles first-person POV storytelling at a noticeably higher level. Between those two for this workflow, Claude wins. 2 formats, 2 prompts. Don't mix them up. This is the detail most tutorials miss entirely, and it will break your output if you ignore it. Format 1. Level style. Topics like your life as every level of the Vatican's secret intelligence network. Structured progression. Level 1 through level 8 maximum. A listicle told as a story. Format 2. Narrative style. Topics like POV, you're the fixer who makes problems disappear for a head of state. No levels, no checkpoints. One continuous first-person story, open to close. Both prompts are in the Google Doc. Identify your format. Copy the right prompt. Paste it into Claude. Drop your topic in where it says to. Simple fix. Before you move on, rewrite the script. Read it. Find where the story drags. Find where the logic breaks. Then rewrite it in your own words with your own instincts. AI gets sloppy. You make it sharp. That extra pass is exactly what YouTube rewards right now, and exactly what the demonetized channels skipped. Step 2. Voiceover, free. Use whatever text-to-speech tool you're comfortable with. 11 Labs, Google AI Studio, doesn't matter. For this tutorial, I'm using Google AI Studio because it's completely free and the quality is solid. Open Google AI Studio, then Playground, then text-to-speech. Pick a model, switch settings to single speaker audio, choose a voice, paste your script, hit run, listen through, download, done, onto visuals. Step 3. Reference character. The top channels in this niche use one consistent character across every scene and every video. That's not a coincidence. It's the thing that makes their content look intentional instead of cobbled together. Copy the character creation prompt from the Google Doc. Open Whisk or your preferred image generator. Paste the prompt. Set aspect ratio to 9:16. Generate your character. Save it. You'll need it for the next step. Step 4. Scene images. Every key moment in your script needs a visual. Use the master prompt in the Google Doc. It takes your script and converts it into image generation prompts automatically. Copy the master prompt, paste it into your text generator, and add your script at the bottom. Critical detail, do not paste the full script at once. Break it into sections, feed it in chunks. Focused input gives you precise, scene-specific prompts. Dumping everything in at once gives you vague outputs that don't match your narration. That one habit changes your visual quality immediately. Once you have your prompts, go back to Whisk with your reference character loaded. Paste each prompt. Set aspect ratio to 16:9. Generate. If a result looks wrong, regenerate. Repeat for every scene. It takes time, but that visual consistency is what keeps viewers watching instead of clicking away. Step 5. Editing. Open CapCut or your preferred editor. Import everything. Drop the voiceover into the timeline first. Clean up any dead or awkward pauses in the audio before you do anything else. Set aspect ratio to 16:9. Lay your images in sequence, matching the narration. Scale up anything that doesn't fill the frame. Now here's the technique that instantly makes your video feel professional. Keyframe animation. First clip. Set a keyframe at the start. Scale up slightly at the end. That's a slow zoom in. Second clip. Start zoomed in. Scale out at the end. That's a slow zoom out. Alternate this pattern all the way through. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. It creates a cinematic rhythm that stops your video from looking like a slideshow. Transitions, keep them simple, mix fade, black fade, or blink. Nothing flashy. Captions are optional. For color grading, drop a filter or adjustment layer across the full timeline and tune the mood until it feels right. Here's what the finished product actually sounds like.
The letter arrives on a Tuesday. No letterhead, no return address. The paper is heavy, the kind institutions use when they want you to feel the weight of what they're offering before you've read a single word. You are 26 years old. You speak 4 languages fluently and 2 more well enough to be dangerous. You have a theology degree from the Gregorian University, a postgraduate certificate in canon law, and a dissertation on the historical relationship between papal authority and secular statecraft that earned quiet, unusual attention from people who never identified themselves to you.
Step 6. Thumbnail. 2 styles dominate this niche, 1 prompt for each, both in the Google Doc. POV thumbnail for narrative topics like "You are the surgeon who keeps the cartel boss alive." Levels thumbnail for listicle topics like "What it's like to be every level of dictator." Copy the right prompt, paste into your text generator with your topic, generate your image prompt. One thing to watch: POV thumbnail prompts can get blocked by Whisk. The subject matter triggers filters. If that happens, switch to Grok AI or Nano Banana Pro. Both handle the prompts cleanly and produce click-worthy results. Levels thumbnails are usually fine in Whisk. Keep regenerating until you have something you would click on. That's the full workflow. This niche is weeks old. The channels winning right now moved early. That window is still open, but it won't stay that way for long. If you want breakdowns like this one, new niches, full workflows, strategies that are actually working right now, subscribe to ManBesideAI. That's what this channel is built for. No recycled advice, just what's working before everyone else finds it. The next one is already on your screen. I'll see you there.